back to our channel. It's me, Meme, and we're playing Vending Machine!
Hi!
And that's my sister there. She'll do that vending machine.
Yes, and I will get tired.
Yeah, but I got something to ask. What? Will you do some bad things? Like make me challenge?
I have to be fair. I have to.
Like when I touch something.
You're not. You're just controlling that one. I'm controlling my hand. So yeah.
No, like when I touch something, you give me.
Yes, I will do that. That is a what you call this? You will get a fine.
Oh, fine, like a police station. I don't know.
Okay, let's get started.
And wait.
Before
We
that,
also have a mystery prize.
you can kind of see it through, but you cannot see what it really is. Okay,
Yeah.
let's start now. 3, 2, 1, boom!
Okay.
Say when you press the button. Down or forward or backward?
Down. No, forward. Down. Go. Yay!
No, you also have to move it. Like put it backwards. Forward.
Okay. Oh!
Sorry.
So I got it here. I'll put it here on my shoulders. Shoulders.
Okay, let's go.
Maybe I'll just put it here. Yeah.
Oh.
You're getting my social media. Because you didn't control me.
Okay, come on.
Sorry.
That's backward.
It almost fell, but no problem. Backward.
Oh.
No, forward. Sorry. Forward. Down. Go. No!
Too heavy.
Forward. Left. Right. Go. It almost fell. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so kidding it. I'm just kidding. Okay. Hey! What? Okay.
Announce it when you What? Announce it.
I'm so itching my head. I'm trying to. I don't know.
I'm already down.
Oh. Whee! Yay! But I wanted it to be here. Okay. I like it. Like bunnies.
See, you still have a lot. Continue now.
Oh, sorry.
You haven't lost anything. Except for that.
Go. It's like a siren. Go. Forward.
I'm already forward.
Down. Go. Forward.
Drop.
Drop. Are my corrections here?
I will collect that.
No. Because there's like a cover in the vending machine.
Okay.
So you can't see my face. Interesting. So I want that one.
Oh, forward.
Down. No. Go.
I got it.
Drop.
Sorry, here
Okay,
you
I'm
go.
not gonna put this because I cannot see the controller. Whee! You're closer to your family. Okay.
I'm already forward.
Down.
Oh.
Go. Drop.
There.
What did you say? scratching my head. I'm trying to. Here, also.
Announce it.
Down. Let me see. Drop.
Okay.
Got my brush here. Just Shopkin. Who's this again? This guy. If you know.
It's a hairbrush.
No, what's her name?
It's a hairbrush.
No, what's the name of the Shopkin?
Okay, let's just.
Sneakies.
What? It will be hairy.
I'm trying to think.
Okay. My this one.
No. Down. Oh wait, yeah. Down. Go. Drop.
I'm bad aim. Okay.
Tiny thing, I think she will be nice. I don't.
I will take something.
This one.
No.
The Hello Kitty.
This one.
Oh.
It's very easy to take this one. Let's make him like that.
Then I'm gonna touch something. You get this one. I trade you. No. Go. I said go. You're not cheating, eh? She's so nice. Okay, now I'm gonna get that one.
Announce it.
Go.
We got 3!
Yes! There's just... Wait, sad for the camels.
They're in the edge.
No, because they're not... They're twins. So they're going to be sad.
Separated.
I got it. Yes. I got this one I always wanted. So they're going to be 5.
Plus this one.
Oh, 6. Okay. Left. Forward. Go. Oh, down.
Hey, that's new. You didn't get anything. New name.
Forward. Down. Go. Yay.
I don't even know how to spell that.
Okay.
Announce it. Announce it.
Sorry, I'm moving the thing. Forward. Down. Oh. Forward. I mean up. Backwards. Go.
Go again?
No!
Stop.
Sorry.
Okay. Announce it.
Yeah. Quick break.
Why?
Wait, I need to use the bathroom. I need this back.
Few moments later.
I'm sorry for that quick break. Okay, I'm in the interrupted. I'm in evening meeting. Oh, sorry. Oh, ah!
Okay, let's go. Sorry.
Okay, sorry guys, sorry.
Announce it. Announce it.
Backward. Not down.
Announce it kasi.
Right. Down. Left. I mean go.
No, move it still. Forward.
Forward. Drop. Yay. Oh, I have to get you. I'm gonna get that. Wait, this one. Left. Go. I mean, not go, not go, not
I know, I heard.
back. Down. Go. Forward. More forward. Thank you. Oh, my twin.
Okay, we're done.
I'm gonna get the mystery box. Left. Backward. Forward. Forward. Down. More down. Go.
No, I have to start in the middle.
Left. Left. Down. Go.
Okay, that's that.
Right. I give up.
You cannot, there's so much more. You don't get the mystery prize? Do you want the mystery prize or not?
No.
You don't want?
There will be next round. It will be for.
I have to do this one, this three?
Yeah.
Okay, if I do this one. Okay.
Mystery prize. Oh no, don't see it. Okay. Okay, let's do again. Cut. I'm just.
No, ito lang.
No, you want to get all. What? Yeah. Sorry.
Hindi ikaw mag-ano. Okay, we'll be back.
3 hours.
My turn now. So, forward. No, I didn't say down. Stop. Why are you taking it? Okay, down. Go. Yay. Okay. Now, come here, come closer. Yan. Put in the middle. Yan.
Wow, my hand hurts.
Now you know the feeling. Okay, you put backwards. No, not too much, only in the circle. Backwards.
I got it.
No, here.
Oh.
Somewhere like that. Go. Up.
You didn't even say go.
I said go.
Oh, guys, if she said go, go.
Put in the middle. You're not very a pro at this. Right.
Oh. Is this
Down.
my left hand?
No, this is left for you. This is right. Okay, right. I just said right. Up lang.
Sorry.
Down. Go. Don't grab it yet. Just put it there.
Haha, you didn't get it. You touched this!
No.
Yes, you did. You touched this and this.
No.
Guys, if she touched it,
Your face.
comment down below, okay?
Okay.
I mean, if you subscribe, you will tell.
Left. Left. Okay, down. Down. More down. Go. Yay, you got two. Hey, that's cheating. What are you doing?
Sorry.
Up.
Wait, it fell. Guys, it fell. It really fell. No,
Okay.
she's the mini. Because you didn't do like this.
Okay. I want to get the box. Left. I mean, no. Right. Right. No, not too much. A bit. Okay, and down.
And then left.
No, down.
All right.
Down. Go. Yay! She got to the mystery box.
No. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Also this one.
I still have a lot.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Put it up here kasi. I can't see it. There you go. Down. Go. No, pag nag-grab mo na, you can't release it.
You did that to
I
me.
didn't. Okay.
Guys, if she did, like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, go left. I mean
Or
right.
like, or share, or subscribe. Or hit that bell.
Go left. Down. Drop. Up, up. I'll grab it from your hand. Put it up. Down. Hey, that's too much. Down. Down. Go. No! Dapat i-drop it here, okay? I have to cut it. Okay.
That was the whoopee cushion.
Okay, go.
That was really the whoopee cushion.
Left. No, what are you doing? Left. Down. Left. Down.
No, this one's right.
No, that's your side.
No.
Grab.
You didn't catch it.
Okay. Put it in the middle.
Oh.
I'm almost done. Okay.
How much more?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3,
right.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, right.
11.
Right. Right. No, right. Back. Forward. Forward more. Down. Go.
Haha.
Okay, put it in the middle now again.
Oh, this. Oh, this is so hard.
Easy for you to say. Okay, put it up. Up. What you call this? Right. No, not too much. Down. Go.
No, it's supposed to be here.
Yeah. Okay.
She's a cheater.
I
She's
give
a
up now.
cat. No, you won't have this.
I don't want to get that prize.
Mystery prize, guys. That's mystery prize. If you join this challenge, Zoom.
Oh, I got an idea. So, okay. No, come on.
We'll create some games like those stuff.
Okay, come on. Yeah. Down. Then just grab it. Hey, you're not supposed to drop it.
Sorry, guys. You're jiggly, so. Oh, sorry. You're jiggly. Okay.
You already took that already. You keep dropping it. Okay. I took.
Claw machines should be like that.
Okay. Right. I mean left. Okay. Down. Go. Your grabbing is not properly.
Sorry. Again.
Okay. Down. Go. May.
She's gonna lose.
I forfeit.
No? If you don't.
Okay, come here, May, and show them what's inside of that. Come here.
Okay, so I have the mystery prize because
I get this one. It's much better.
I didn't.
Okay, you
Yeah.
open that. You open that.
Okay, I'm so excited. I got a whoopee cushion with for pants. And I don't know what's this. And also this. It's part of this. It's a pumper. Why did you even kiss it?
I didn't.
Where is it? Oh, these? I can't get these paper craft laptops. What you need is a paper. Without a paper. And I can't get. And these balloons. It's so nice. And let's do the blow up balloon.
Okay.
At next video.
Okay.
On next Thursday, guys.
Are you done?
Yeah, we're done. No, I'm not done. I got a math set. It's only for her. Not me.
Fine. I will open now.
Also this.
Okay, now you're done.
No, there's someone more. I mean someone. Also these purse and a bag. I mean
Okay.
a dog. Wait, this way there's one more. Oh, also the bag, guys.
Okay.
Dunkin' Donuts. You can order from the phone, the download it
Oh,
for now.
okay.
So let's blow. Wait,
Wait,
can you blow? Wait, after you do this, can you blow this? Can you blow this? No, like can you blow it with the all of the or the
Okay.
waters? I'm so sorry, guys.
Let me open this thing. Okay, so let's see.
Your hair is messy now. I'm so tired of chit chatting.
Let me open this now.
Start opening. Stop talking.
You scammed me. You scammed me.
It's just a box here. Nothing logo.
Well, there's something.
But we
So-
don't want to see it. Where's the other bee?
You're so mean.
Ha ha. We could have got the mystery prize.
Wait,
and
you
not-
forfeited.
What?
You forfeited in the end, but you only had a little bit, so it's perfect.
So let's blow these.
On the next video.
No. Can you please?
Why?
Please, I want to do this. Please. Unless we tried our best.
Okay, that's it for today,
No,
guys.
no. We're not. We're not finished yet.
Okay, pause it first.
Pause it. And bye, guys.